Hi guys, welcome back to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mvundo and welcome back to another video. So you've probably seen a lot of Rhodes emulations and sampled instruments out there, and there has never really been anything officially made by Rhodes. And today I am checking out the Rhodes V8 plugin, which is the one and only plugin that is officially made by Rhodes. So the V8 plugin is actually a deep sampled version of the Mark 8 Rhodes, and it comes in at 22 gigabytes. So it is a huge file and it actually has a lot of detail packed in there. So it comes in two versions, the V8 and the V8 Pro. From as far as I can tell, there isn't a difference in sound quality, so they both share the same samples. The main differences is that the V8 Pro gives you a whole lot more control over how the instrument is set up, and it comes with a lot of built-in effects, and it comes in with artist presets. At the time of recording this video, the V8 retails for $180 and the V8 Pro retails for $300. So I received a free license from Rhodes to make this video. I am not sponsored or paid by them, but I do have an affiliate link. So at the end of this video, if you're interested in buying one, or you just want to try out the free 14-day trial for this plugin, please make sure you check out the link in the description. It will help support the channel. Okay, without further ado, dive into some of my favorite sounds in this plugin.
It's been a red
So as you could hear, this is a very versatile EP. I know it can go from being very smooth to being very rough and jagged, and I really love the dynamics that it comes with. And unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you've made it this far, please consider subscribing or liking. It will really help with the engagement on this video and support this channel. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to our Patreon community. You guys are the best. Until the next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.